Welcome to my channel. Today we have another headlight restoration project. As you can see right here, this headlight is full of oxidation. On top right here, as it's going across, you can see it's really bad and needs some real good work done to it. That's why they came to the pros. Let's go. I am now putting the masking tape on the paint so that my sander won't mess up the paint on the edges. I'm going to cover it up with plastic and paper so that I won't get overspray on the vehicle. Right here looks like a chip in the lens might have been done before. I'm not sure I'm going to mark it with a permanent marker. Yes, a permanent marker. I'm going to use the sandpaper. I will get it off. I'm pointing to it right here. I marked off the tops. As you can see, where I'm going to be working at right above here is where heavy oxidation is. I'm using 800 grit sandpaper, and you can see the machine I'm using is this right here, the Metabo. I get the name wrong every time. I'm putting the pad on here. We go sand away, baby sand away. As you can see, the 800 is taken off the writing that I did with permanent marker. Some may say it was stupid, but I knew the 800 was going to take it off. Try to stroke in the same direction. Keep the stroke sanding in the same direction so you won't leave marks in the plastic. So when you go to spray it, it looks clean and clear. I'm adding lubricant. You can do it raw. I normally go raw, but I'm adding a lubricant to help remove this oxidation. This is getting really smooth right now. Really smooth. As you can see, it's taken off the first layer. Looks oxidated to you, but trust me, it's going to look way better after we get done. Now wipe it off with a rag so you can get the excess moisture off. I'm going back to raw sandpaper. I will put another 800 pad on. I'm going raw. As you can see, that permanent marker is gone now. I'm using 1500 grit sandpaper to give it that extra smooth feeling to it. So when I go to spray my clear onto the lens, it will be smooth. I'm using alcohol. You can use 91% up to 100%. This is what's going to get the oils and dirt off that I put on the lens. I'm also using lint-free fiber towels. You see how it's frosted, hazy looking? Trust me, when I get done, you're going to see the magic. This is my trusted spray gun from Harbor Freight. This is what I used to spray the clear with. Are you ready? Here we go. As you can see, it's starting to look beautiful. Look at the magic shine, baby shine. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.